Good morning, beta. Today we are going to discuss something from the chapter 1 of the chemistry, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. And under the basic concepts of chemistry from the chapter 1, first of all we deal with the most important and basic chapter of this topic, that is nature of matter. In nature of matter, we will start with the definition, that what is matter? Anything that occupies space, that occupies space and have mass in it is known as matter. Then matter is further classified into two types. There are two types of classification of matters. A type of classification of matter that today we will discuss is, it is called physical classification of matter. Physical classification of matter. Physical classification of matter means according to physical state, what are the three types of matter? The physical classification of matter, under this comes three types. Physically, matter is classified into three types. Number one, all of you know, simply this is physically, first state of matter is solid state of matter. So what are solids? Solids, these are the substances which have specific shape, size and volume. They are rigid means जिहदी shape change नहीं हुंदी, rigid and hard. For example, wood, plastic, metals, etc. And all this is due to the closed packing of particles in the metals or solids. In case of solids, the small particles, constituent particles like atom or molecules of which the solids are made up of, these smaller particles like atoms or molecules, these are very, very tightly packed in case of solids. So this tight packing of particles, this makes the solids having fixed shape, size and volumes. These particles do not move from their place, that's why solids do not change their shapes. They are fixed in shape, size and volume. So this is the first state of matter. Then comes the second state of matter is liquid state. What happens in case of liquid states? In case of liquid states, the substances, these are the substances which only possess specific volume but does not have fixed shape and size. इन्हें कोई फिक्स शेप या साइज नहीं होता, बल्कि लिक्विड्स ऑलवेज attain the shape of कंटेनर। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਨੂੰ ਪਾ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਬੇਟਾ, ਇਹ ਉਸੇ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਨੂੰ ਅਟੇਨ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਗੇ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਵਾਟਰ, benzene, petrol, diesel, etc. All these comes under the second state of matter, that is known as liquid state of matter. Now why liquids are liquids? Liquid state of matter, the reason behind the liquid state of matter is that the constituent particles of which the liquid is made up of, that is maybe atoms or molecules. In case of liquids, these particles are little loosely packed. This loose packing of particles in liquid, because of the loose packing of particles in the liquid, these particles can move around their position, and because of their movement, liquid change their shape when they are sent from one container to another container. So reason behind the liquid, why do they change their shape with the container, is that loose packing of particles in the liquids. Then comes with a third state of matter, is that is known as gaseous state. What is gaseous state? Gases ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਫਿਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। Gaseous state, this is the state of matter which do not have fixed shape, size or volume. This state do not have any fixed shape, size और वॉल्यूम। इन्हों की ना कोई शेप फिक्स है बेटा, ना साइज़ फिक्स है, ना वॉल्यूम फिक्स है, बल्कि गैसेस की करती हैं, गैसेस ऑलवेज अटेन द शेप, साइज़ एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ कंटेनर। ਜਿਹੜੇ कंटेनर च पा देंगे तो गैसेस ने शेप भी उस कंटेनर की लै लैनी है, साइज़ भी तो वॉल्यूम भी। लिक्विड तो सिर्फ की करते सी, शेप ही लेंदे सी कंटेनर की। गैसेस की हैं शेप भी तो वॉल्यूम भी तो साइज़ भी। ऑल दिस दे विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंटेनर। सो गैसेस attain the shape, size and volume of कंटेनर। गैसेस ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਅਟੇਨ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੀਆਂ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵੱਡੇ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ 'ਚ ਪੈਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਗੈਸਿਸ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ। ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੈਸਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਛੋਟੇ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ 'ਚ ਪੈਕ ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਗੈਸਿਸ ਕੰਪਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ। ਤਾਂ ਗੈਸਿਸ ਆਰ हाईली ਕੰਪਰੈਸਿਬਲ, मतलब ਗੈਸਿਸ ਦੀ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਧਾ ਵੀ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਘਟਾ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸ਼ੇਪ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਤਾਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਗੈਸਿਸ ਦੀ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਵੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਐਂਡ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਬਿਹਾइंड दिस इज़ very simple. What happens in case of gases? Suppose this container is filled with any XYZ gas. What happens in case of gases? These particles of gases are not joined with each other. All the gases particles are freely moving. They are not joined with each other like liquids and solid. Gases ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ particles ਬਿਲਕੁਲ free ਹੁੰਦੇ and they are continuously moving in all directions, randomly moving in all directions. So all particles are free to move in all directions, and there is lot of empty space between these gas molecules. That's why gases can be compressed, can expand also. क्योंकि पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे ਨਾਲ जुड़े नहीं तो एक दूसरे ਦੇ क्लोज भी आ सकते हैं, एक दूसरे तो होर दूर भी जा सकते हैं। तो जे आप कंटेनर की वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज़ कर देंगे, गैसेज विल एक्सपैंड, then these particles will go away from each other. If we compress the gas, if we decrease the volume of gas, then these molecules will come closer to each other, because lot of empty space is lying between the gas molecules, and these gas molecules or particles are not joined with each other. That's why gases do not possess any fixed shape, size or volume. So this is what we have already discussed in the class also, beta. So up to this today we are finishing, then further we will discuss tomorrow chemical classification of matter. So that's all up to today. Thanks, beta. Thank you to all of you.